Morning guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. It's been a crazy week this week. A few big announcements obviously with EV companies and also my two biggest investments that I've made in my stake portfolio, so stick around for that. Good morning guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. It is Friday morning, it is just after 11:30 in the morning here on the 20th of November. This year has flown. So what I wanted to get into is a couple of big things. Obviously, everyone's doing videos on YouTube these days about Tesla and them being added into the S&P 500, which is incredible, guys. This is a huge moment for Tesla. Yes, I'm a huge NIO fan as well. They're competition, so I still love both of these EV companies. The main reason why I love NIO at the moment is because it is reasonably priced. So obviously, with the announcement of the S&P 500, Tesla being added to the S&P 500, I would love to include more shares in my portfolio of Tesla before all the index funds actually buy into Tesla and make adjustments to all the portfolios of these massive companies and funds who are tracking the S&P 500, because when that happens, I have a very strong feeling that the price of Tesla is going to go through the absolute roof, and it is going to increase demand. And obviously these guys have a ton more buying power than a lot of retail investors, unfortunately, but it is what it is. What do you do? So the other night and this week, I've made two significant investments in my portfolio. I deposited virtually $2,000 this week into my portfolio. Yes, it is a lot of money, but I'm wanting to boost up my portfolio and get these gains while I still can. So the two major purchases that I made this week are from VYM, that is ticker symbol VYM, which is the S&P 500 High Dividend Vanguard Index Fund. And it was one of those things where a lot of people are saying index funds are no good at the moment. They're going to be crashing, blah, blah, blah. But I'd love to see that happen, really. You can't really go wrong with an index fund. You're diversifying your portfolio. People are investing in these for peace of mind, I guess. And those dividends, which, again, I'm a dividend investor. So VYM was number one index fund. Yes, SPHD is good, but VYM seems to be a much better fund for a significant investment such as $1,000. So I bought VYM, ticker symbol VYM. I purchased 8.19 shares of VYM, and the cost of that with that $1,000, and this is also with some dividends reinvested as well, was $729.89 USD. That is a significant amount of money. So this is one of the biggest investments that I've made in this portfolio to date, which is $1,000. That is a lot of money. So VYM, I wanted to just put that all in there and diversify that money and let it grow at an average rate of about 7 to 8% a year, which has been the standard for the last couple of years, which is great. So the other one, Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. I know, guys, I'm a huge NIO advocate, but Tesla is also, I love Tesla. I love what Elon Musk is doing. And it's incredible to see him now be added into the S&P 500. And I believe I read an article that his net worth now has skyrocketed to something $117 billion in the last week. That is remarkable. Awesome stuff, mate. Love it. Love what you're doing. So obviously I wanted to add and grab a portion, another share in Tesla before this thing goes up to $3,000 again, which is insane and out of reach. So I did add another couple of shares in, or just over a share in my portfolio the other day, I dropped in another $1,000 into Tesla completely. So $721.13 was roughly about $1,000, and that got me 1.4658 shares of Tesla, which is now increased my position in Tesla to 3.6 shares. That was $1,000 purchase, so it's not a small purchase, guys. This is a lot of money, and this is what I'm saying why I love NIO at the moment, because it's going up in value, but the price is very reasonable, and I think it's even going to get to that $100 to $150 mark pretty soon. So guys, Tesla, I did add more into my portfolio, which is incredible, before the index listing. the S&P 500 index, and I hope to add more before this happens on December 21st. So let's see what happens with this, guys. I'll continue to invest in Tesla before this happens, and hopefully that'll solidify my position in that. The portfolio today is currently sitting at $12,360.14, which is unbelievable. I'm up 1.53% on the day, $186, and in total $1,696.12, which is 15% in the last week. That is incredible. Majority of my stocks and holdings are all green. However, there are a couple of red, which is fine. But those are the two major purchases I made this week. So VYM and Tesla. So guys, I hope you're all doing well in your portfolios and investing again. I'll put up my portfolio screen recording now and my dividend tracker so you guys can see where I'm at with that. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys get some more shares of Tesla before this incredible company gets listed on the S&P 500, before all these major funds have to readjust their S&P 500 portfolios to add Tesla in there, which is a good opportunity, guys, so take advantage of that. And make sure you do research, obviously, because it is a growth stock and a lot of things can happen. So make sure you do your own research and are happy to take a risk with a growth stock. All right, guys, so thanks very much for sticking around, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps the algorithm. I'm not one of these guys that asks for it up the front. So just, do as you wish, but it really helps, guys, and I appreciate it. So let's build wealth together, guys, and stay safe. So stick around for the portfolio and dividend tracker. All right, guys, welcome back to my stake investment account. So you can see here I'm currently sitting at $12,360.14 and growing. I'm up $186 on the day, 1.53%, and in total $1,696 across my entire portfolio, which is 15% return. That is unbelievable to see that, guys. So you can see that most of my stocks are either green or red today. It is what it is. It's just the way the market goes. But obviously, if you go down to Tesla, which is now sitting at a record high of nearly $500, guys, $499.27. Unbelievable, guys. And you can see that there's been a significant trade of 129 trades. 1,000 trades, sorry, and I'm sitting at 3.6187 shares of Tesla. Wish it would have been more, but guys, this stock is going bananas, and it's a very expensive stock to buy. So hopefully those 6.6 shares will do me good in the future. The other one again is VYM. This is the S&P 500 high dividend yield ETF or index fund, sitting at $88.18, and I'm sitting at 9.28 shares of this as well, which is fantastic. So let's move to my activity quickly, guys, so you can see here the latest purchases here in dividends. So the VYM purchase there at $729 USD. I received a dividend from BTI of 16 cents, ERF of 4 cents, and obviously the tax there of 15% on each dividend, which is annoying, but it is what it is. And my purchase into Tesla at $721. So let's move on to the dividend tracker, guys. Welcome back to my dividend tracker, guys. This is an awesome app and I highly recommend it. I'm not getting paid by these guys, FYI. I wish I would, but because I'm plugging them a lot because I just love the portfolio management in your hand, as everyone would. So I'm sitting at $683 USD a year, a monthly dividend of $57, which is incredible. That's growing really nicely. I'm sitting at $1.87 a day. The yield is 4.68% on average. Today I'm supposed to receive dividends from Caterpillar of 27 cents and Unilever, which is ticker symbol UN, of 11 cents. My three biggest payers are XOM at $174, SPHD at $108, and PSEC at $96. And I've received almost gotten 70% of my goal, which is unbelievable, $1,000 a year, and that is going up nicely. And dividends receivable this month is $49. That's awesome. So portfolios, guys, you can see that my portfolio is sitting at about 16,900 Australian dollars. That's awesome. The composition now, I've invested $14,500 there, and they're the breakdown of the positions in the companies. These are all the companies here, and we'll scroll down to the dividends here. This is the cool little horizon feature. 20 years, the portfolio will be worth $71,000, and dividends of $5,000 a year. It's great. Monthly income here, you can see all the income here, which is great to keep track of as well. So December is going to be my biggest payer. That's awesome. All right, guys, thanks very much for sticking around. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let's build the wealth together. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.